The brain is the most complex and mysterious organ in the human body, an intricate system of cells and pathways that produces thoughts and turns them into actions. But while scientists know what the brain does, they know very little about how it functions. So they're hoping that a new multinational effort called the Human Brain Project will cast new light on the organ by creating a simulated brain replica. The 10-year project aims to collect vast swathes of scientific data from around the world to create a neuromorphic supercomputer that mimics the brain. Neurobiologist Martin Telefont from Switzerland's EPFL Institute is in charge of integrating the information.
Each individual cell, in a way, is like a tree or like a bush in a forest. What we're doing is, when we're building up the model, we're taking all of these individual trees and bushes and we put them back together into the forest that a biologist would see on a day-to-day basis in the laboratory.
The project is being run by Professor Henry Markham, also from EPFL. He says the first stage may involve programming a robot to trace the chain of neural events from molecular stimulation to cognition. Then, by collecting data from hospitals, new classifications of brain disease could be made to better target specific drugs to suitable individuals.
There could be dozens of drugs today that could actually be helping specific patients. In Alzheimer's, it may say, look, you know, there's 2 Alzheimer's patients, this drug is going to work for you because you have a certain genetic set of sequences that are indicative that drug's going to work for you. It's not going to work for you. This other drug will work for you. So this potential, without having to go through this whole adventure of developing a drug, we could actually be sitting with solutions today.
The final stage is arguably the most ambitious, building neuromorphic computers containing processors to mimic the brain.
In the future, you can imagine having a hybrid systems where you have these exact numerical solutions that you get from digital processors, and then you get these more inexact, complex, probabilistic solutions, more brain-like cognitive type of processing that you get from neuromorphic computer processors.
The Human Brain Project was recently awarded €1 billion by the European Union, with each tranche of the award dependent on the progress made. Markham has developed an algorithm to work out rules for how to reconstruct the brain. So far they've built brain circuits modelled on a partial rat brain, comprising around 1 million neurons. They say the human brain recreation is due for completion by 2023, giving researchers medical insights that today they can only imagine.